Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you about Google Sheet tutorials, and I would like to show to you the way how to remove view only in Google Sheets. So the first thing you have to do is open your Google Sheet application, and here is the look when you already open it. And here I already have several documents that I have a view only access for this document. So for example, this one, let's give a check by go click these three small dots, and after that you just need to go click manage access. And this manage access, you just need to go into the general access. If you can see here in the general access, there will be like two options if you give or already set the access. So whenever here is anyone with the link, and they will be already set the view only for these documents. And now I would like to remove this view only from this Google Sheet. So the things that we have to do now is just go right away into anyone with the link here, and after that you just need to change from anyone with the link into restricted. And now only you and only people who added into the documents share or documents team who can access it. So that's the way how to remove view only in Google Sheet application. Hopefully this tutorial is really helpful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment and subscribe into this channel.